Hi Virgo, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. For the month of March, this is a mid-month reading for March 2021. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you, Virgo. I think we've got the first card. Some of you could be going through some financial crisis, needing money. I feel someone borrowed money from you and now they're not responding. I guess someone owes you the money you lent them and they're taking long. Got the death card. Virgo, I hope you're feeling fine. You could be feeling as if things have ended and you're not being able to decide what to do. There could be a possibility that you are not feeling empowered, basically. Are you feeling empowered, Virgo? What's happening? Some of you could be going through a writer's block, or I guess you're going through some kind of blockage when it comes to ideas, ideation, something to do with the creative field. Now, again, guys, this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with everyone. We have your energies here, Virgo. Okay. There could be some marital issues taking place in your life. The card at the bottom of the deck is the Knight of Pentacles. Somebody wants to communicate with you regarding money, but for some reason this communication is not coming through. You're not being able to materialize. You guys are feeling the lack when it comes to financial stability. There's no stability. Oopsie, just too many cards. I'm not going to pick them up. Wow, in the near future, you will be able to get all the money that you wanted. You've got the Queen of Swords in verse twice, which is okay. I guess there is somebody who's trying to control your thoughts. It could be a spouse, a lover, somebody from your past who wants to come back into your life. But majorly, it's about your money and financial growth, Virgo. I see good things happening for you in that area. You've got the Hermit card twice. These are definitely your energies, Virgo, and you need to take control of your decisions. You're not supposed to give anybody the reins of your life. Somebody else is running your life right now, Virgo. You need to take those reins back. You need to sit at the steering wheel, the driver's seat. It could be a possibility that you are marrying someone who is from your past, who is financially very stable. You're materializing, manifesting that connection. You've got the Hanged Man energies, the Three of Swords energies. Virgo, beware of third-party situations. Before you tie the knot or go into an agreement with somebody, make sure you do a good, thorough background check, because some people have secrets they may not be willing to share with you. So make sure you know what you're getting into. Virgo, let's see some extra messages for you. These messages may or may not be directly related to your tarot, so take them however they resonate with you. This situation will improve, of course. Yes, your intuition is correct. Take action accordingly. Never underestimate the power of your gut, of your intuition. That is your higher self, guardian angel, and sisters guiding you. So just pay heed to it. Contemplation 29. Number 29 could be important to some of you. Keep an eye out for that. 29th of March or any month. 29th could be your birthday, somebody's birthday that you're dealing with. The soul knows your journey, so don't feel afraid of taking decisions. Have faith that your gut is being absolutely honest with you because your soul knows this journey. You've done this before, Virgo. Go with the flow and never underestimate the power of your gut. A personal issue reaches resolution. A new start is coming. Emotions are running high. Work through your fears and believe in the impossible. Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces, Sagittarius, Taurus could be important. Wow. My fearless freedom lights up the world. Virgo, those were your energies. I would like to dedicate this beautiful amethyst crystal to you so that you get the strength, the power, the wisdom that you truly deserve. I hope this reading made sense to you, Virgo. Thank you for watching. Bye.